Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Airbnb not accepting your card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to reserve an Airbnb, but for some reason it's not accepting your card. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now, there's multiple solutions that you can try. The first way is that you could actually go ahead and restart the Airbnb app by holding up and then swiping up, and then going onto the Airbnb app and swiping up again. So what you've just done is a soft reset of the Airbnb app. So check and see if that works. The other thing that you can do is that you can go into your profile, then go into account settings, then click on payments, then click on payment methods. And what I did to fix my card is that I actually went ahead and removed all payment methods. So click on edit, then remove, and click on edit, and then remove, and check and see if that works. By removing the payment methods and then re-adding it, that is what fixed my issue when it came to Airbnb not accepting my card. But check and see if that works. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.